We highly recommend you use an impact wrench to remove the bolt attaching the ignition rotor to the crankshaft. If you do not have an impact gun, you can still remove the bolt, but you will need to use something to hold the crankshaft in position. Place a flathead screwdriver against the ignition rotor and engine case as shown. Use a 12mm socket to then remove the bolt attaching the ignition rotor to the crankshaft. Once the bolt is removed, you can pull the ignition rotor off. Place the Factory Pro ignition rotor on the crankshaft with the lettering facing you and the arrow pointing in the clockwise direction. Apply thread locker to the bolt and install. Tighten with a 12mm socket and torque to 25 foot-pounds. For more Sport by Cal 2 videos, visit sportbycal2.com.